Good morning, class. My name is Miss Darby. You guys are in the 3rd grade. Don't know why that stopped. But it did.
Right, if you hadn't said anything, we wouldn't have noticed. So
So we're going to be having fun with fractions today. So just a reminder that a unit fraction is one part of the whole, and the numerator is always one unit fraction. Alright, so who would come up to the board and match the fraction with the picture? Please, anybody. I made it food. It's fun.
Anyone?
Yes, Taylor. You just drag it to drag the number to the picture. I can't get one wrong. Oh no, which one is it? There we go. Thank you. So for equivalent fractions, you can create one by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. It has to be the same number. So we can just click this, and can someone come up and tell me what fraction this is and say an equivalent fraction with it? You want me to do the first one?
Yes, model.
Okay. So this is 2/5. So what can we multiply by? We can multiply them both by 2, and we get, anybody?
4/10. Oh.
Okay. So does someone want to come up and do the next one?
Sure they would.
So you can even pass it down to yourself.
I can hear her eyes rolling back. Ooh.
So which one is that one? What does it say on the bottom? No? Very good. You guys want to do another one of these, or would you like to move on to the next one?
Jennifer would love to do one.
Come on.
I'll do one more. I like the dominoes. That's cool.
Thank you. I saw it like on other people's things for like when I was looking at examples. So I was like, what can I do so I can flip it? Oh no.
Switch outside the box, Jen. There you go. Now hit it again. There you go.
So what is that? So what would be an equivalent fraction of what then? What would you have to multiply by?
2.
And it would be 2. Good job. Thank you. Okay, so you can find equivalent fractions when you reduce fractions by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. So it's just the opposite of what we just did. Okay? So now we're going to see which fractions can be reduced and which ones cannot be reduced.
Or be hypnotized.
So who would like to come up and drag it to the right vortex? Anybody? See, it would be so much better with sound, but it was like, since it had like options for both, it wasn't letting me give it properties. Otherwise, it would have the sound whether it was right or wrong. So I don't know how to. Good job. If you want to get one wrong. Oh no. But yeah, like even in like a real classroom, like I would have multiple people.
Sure. Imagine if that was 3D. Comes out and
Give it a couple years, it probably will be. Good. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to match the fraction with its equivalent fraction. So who would like to come up and drag the bottom row to the top row? I can help you out.
The bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you get it right, it just disappears. And if you don't get it right on the first try, sometimes it doesn't.
There it is.
And then if it gets wrong, it just sends it back to the bottom row. Alright, so this is a game that I found online, and I thought it was a lot of fun. I don't know what's going on, but it was working for. Hold on. So basically what you do is it tells you like how many, I don't know why it's not working. Oh, I'm gonna be really sad, it worked every other time.
Of course it is. The joy of technology.
Wow, this is really gonna upset me so much. Well, it would like tell you how many.
Can you...
Should I copy it? Oh, there we go. No? Yes. Okay.
There you go.
So it tells you like up top, fill the gap with 3 fractions of equal value. So then you get there and then you like drag it. So what would you drag for this one? If you need 3 to get across here.
Oh. How do you know you need 3?
It tells you up here.
Oh,
Fill the gap with 3 fractions.
All right. So... I think oh, well, duh. Okay.
And then you check it.
Oh, you
made it.
Oh, okay.
This one will come up inside the next one. This one's tricky because it gives you half of it, and it wants you to find the other half. You know what to do.
What do you want?
Because, like, it gets, like, I don't know why that still isn't brick. I think it's the very off.
So,
Yeah.
it
We
will
need
help
4.
1/2. Okay. 1, 2.
I'll check it. Make it erase. I'm not sure.
It also is the 8. Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, and then if you, like, get to it and, like, you realize halfway, like, as you're putting them, you don't think it's gonna make it, you can, like, put it, like, say I do it this. I'm like, oh, wait, that's not right. Maybe it's like this, maybe it's like this.
That's a good game.
You guys want to continue playing, or?
Do one more. Aaron, jump right on.
So this one, you need to fill the gap with 8 fractions of equal value. And it's 2 meters. That's how it's exactly.
That wouldn't help me at all.
Yeah, not me either.
Do
But
you? No.
so this is even like a good game just for like a foot home, if you wanted. And then,
Good job. I like how she started and pulled one down, so I'm gonna let her from to get the visual cues and the fraction numbers.
and that is my mini lesson.
All right.